Hello. In this video you will meet one of the most incredible insects in the Americas that has also adapted very well to cities. The golden silk spider. Known to have the strongest web of all spiders. Stay with us and learn all about the mighty golden silk spider. Large cities have become habitat not only for human beings, but also for many animals, mainly insects. Insects have adapted very well to urban areas and are abundant and varied. And one of the animals that most adapted to this environment and can be found in different places in cities are spiders. There are several species inhabiting the urbanized areas of most of the planet. Currently, there are over 48,000 known species worldwide. In Brazil, approximately 4,500 species have been catalogued. It is an expressive amount, and it is due to the great ability to adapt to the environment and its efficient hunting method. One of the most incredible species that has adapted very well to cities is the golden silk spider, scientific name Nepheloclavipes. This species of spider takes its name from the powerful web with a golden tonality it produces. She is considered the strongest web of all spiders, capable of even grabbing small birds and bats. In addition to the strength of the thread, the webs also have a toxin that stuns the insects that are trapped in it, making capture much easier and more efficient. They can live together and form large condos of webs, which interconnect with each other and become a deadly capture machine for any small creature that flies by. This web is undoubtedly a masterpiece of nature and one of the most effective and lethal hunting tools in the animal kingdom. In addition to their incredible web, these spiders are also colorful, carrying shades of green, red, yellow, among other colors, depending on the variety of the species and the location in which they live. It is a spider that at first may seem frightening due to its size and the size of the webs it produces, but is generally harmless to humans. Its venom is not capable of doing much harm to a person, unless you are allergic. These big spiders are the females. The males are much smaller and live as tenants in the webs. Only the larger males are able to approach the females and reproduce. The smallest live on the periphery of the web, feeding on leftovers. They reproduce and create large communities. With abundance of food and virtually no predators or threats, besides the humans, these spiders thrive in urban parks, squares and city areas where vegetation is still preserved. The golden silk spider lives in the warmest regions of the Americas, and can be found from Argentina to the United States, which also includes Brazil. They inhabit many regions of large Brazilian cities, mainly in squares and urban parks, forming large webs between trees and feeding on any flying insect that passes by. If they are not controlled, they can increase the population exponentially and become a nuisance to visitors to these places. But apart from the scary part of these creatures, which scare most people, they are very useful as they control the population of unwanted flying insects such as flies and mosquitoes. Cities are home to many species of insects, which live in all sorts of places. For the animals that feed on them, cities have become veritable fast food. And if you are an insect that feeds on other insects, even better, as you will not lack for food. For the golden silk spider, as well as all other spiders, cities are great for thriving, as they provide a plethora of insects that they can feed on. Not even bees are able to overcome the powerful web of the golden thread spider. At Independence Park, in the city of Sao Paulo, these spiders are very smart and created their webs near a beehive, on the route they travel, becoming a fatal trap. Every bee that crosses the path of these webs has its days ended. Spiders inject a digestive liquid inside their prey and patiently wait for it to dissolve internally. Afterwards, they suck out your insides like a juice box. For these spiders, plenty is on the table. The next time you walk around, try to look out for spiders. And if you like content about wild animals and their relationship with cities, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. With your help, we can tell you many interesting stories. And let us know in the comments if you've seen any golden silk spider in your city. What do they do there? We really want to know your story. Bio is life? BioWeb.